Hi, fifth graders. Welcome back to Persuasive Writing. This is session number 15, and we are on our conclusion paragraph. Can you believe that we are already finishing up our papers? At this point, you should have your introduction paragraph. You should have your 3 body paragraphs that go along with your 3 reasons to support your claim. You should have your counterclaim argument, and you should have your conclusion paragraph as of today. Okay, that will be what we're working on today. So what is the goal of a conclusion paragraph? Well, the goal is to restate your claim. We want to reflect on what our paper was about. So what is it that you were trying to prove in this paper? Then you are going to summarize your reasons. Notice this goes along with your thesis statement. Your claim and your reasons are part of your thesis statement. So essentially we're rewording that. It doesn't have to be one sentence. Your thesis statement and your introduction was one sentence, but now in your conclusion it's okay if you break that up into multiple sentences because we're essentially just summarizing your paper and making a final plea. Remember, this is the last paragraph that your readers will read before putting down your paper. So this is your last chance to urge your audience to either do something or to change their minds. So again, in order to have a powerful final statement, you want to restate your claim and thesis. You might even want to put in some personal experience. For instance, if you had a quick story or something small that you related to, an experience that you relate to with this paragraph or with this topic that you haven't had a chance to put in your paragraphs to this point, you might want to include this in your conclusion. And if you have anything that you want the reader to be left thinking about, or if you have something that you want them to do, then this would be your last chance to say it, okay? So let's take a look at my example. So you know that I'm writing my paper on should kids be required to play a team sport in elementary school? Well, my reasons were that it helps build strong social skills. Where's my second one? It relieves stress and improves mental health, and it improves physical fitness. So I have builds social skills, relieves stress, and improves physical fitness. So in my conclusion, I'm going to restate my claim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write let's see, I believe that all kids should play a team sport. There are many reasons why team sports are beneficial to kids. For one, they relieve stress. Secondly, I'm going to start a new sentence. Secondly, I believe that my first reason was that they build strong social skills. So I need to put them in the same order. That is something important to remember as well. Make sure that they're in the same order. For one, they help kids build strong social skills, period. Secondly, they help reduce stress and improve mental health. Finally, they improve sports, improve kids' physical fitness. Okay, so now I've restated my claim. I believe that all kids should play a team sport. There are many reasons why team sports are beneficial to kids. For one, they help kids build strong social skills. Secondly, they help reduce stress and improve mental health. And finally, sports improve kids' physical fitness. So now I've restated my claim and reworded my reasons. Now my final, I'm going to put in a little bit of a personal experience just to make it a little bit more fluffy. So I'm going to say, as a kid, I grew up playing sports and I couldn't be more thankful for all of the skills I have learned. Now my final urge or my final statement is going to be me urging my audience to do whatever it is that I want them to do. So I'm going to say, if you aren't signed up for sports, for a team sport, already, sign up today. You won't regret it. Okay, so as you can see in my conclusion paragraph, I've restated my claim. What is my belief? I've restated my reasons. I made a little personal connection in here. And my final statement is me urging my audience to do something or to change their minds. Okay, so I believe that all kids should play a team sport. There are many reasons why team sports are beneficial to kids. For one, they help kids build strong social skills. Secondly, they help reduce stress and improve mental health. Finally, sports improve kids' physical fitness. As a kid, I grew up playing sports and I couldn't be more thankful for all of the skills I have learned. If you aren't signed up for a team sport already, sign up today. You won't regret it. Okay, so I have left my audience with one final urge to sign up for sports, and I've touched on and summarized my paper, and that is going to be your goal for today as well. So make sure you're following that format throughout your conclusion, and make sure that you are leaving your reader with something to think about. As a matter of fact, I'm going to have you highlight that final, that final urge or the final sentence where you're urging your audience to do something. So pick a color and go ahead and highlight that sentence where you are giving that final, go do it today, or change your mind, okay? All right, if you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.